angels that surround the circle. Starting this year, a frequent guest program. We're the first hotel in Winnipeg that's actually able to offer a frequent guest program as an independent hotel. Ida and Rick have decided to do Karma Class, which is a free class. Anybody in the community or outside the community, if they would like to travel to Winnipeg, can come for a free class. Thank you so much for coming. We're very excited to have Tracks of Canada come and visit us. We're really looking forward to you returning in the fall.
Thank you so much. It's been such a pleasure.
Great.